Problem 1. Not enough money. Business struggle to get the funds they need to expand or improve. The negative impact of this problem is it limits the funds or slow down the business growth. The positive impact of this problem, financial prudence. Limited funds encourage smart spending and sustainable practices. My recommendation is explore different ways to get money. Look into other options like grants or partnership to get the funds needed for growth. Problem 2. Water shortage worries. There is not enough clean water for businesses like hotels and restaurants. Negative impact is water shortage. Insufficient water disrupts operations and affect customer satisfaction. Positive impact is water conservation. Concern for water shortage promotes eco-friendly efforts. My recommendation is save water. Use water-saving methods to deal with water shortage and protect the environment. Problem number 3. Too much paperwork. Businesses deals with a lot of paperwork and rules that slow down progress. Negative impact. Excessive paperwork causes delays and higher costs for projects. Positive impact. Regulatory compliance dealing with paperwork ensures following rules and ethical standards. My recommendation: use technology to reduce paperwork. Use technology to make dealing with paperwork easier and faster. Problem number 4. Unclear plans for investors. Some projects don't have clear plans for investors, causing uncertainty. Negative impact. Lack of clear plans makes investors hesitant, delaying project. Positive impact. Clear plans build trust and credibility for future investments. My recommendation: make clear plans for investors. Work closely with investors to create plans that explain how they can benefit from investing in the business. Problem number 5. Lack of skilled workers. Businesses have trouble finding skilled employees, affecting operations and growth. Negative impact. Difficulty in finding skilled employees leads to inefficiencies and lower productivity. Positive impact. Closing the skills gap create a more competitive workforce. My recommendation is to train and develop employees, investing and training to improve the of skills of employees, making operations smoother and more efficient.